In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your Wix blog post page, specifically its layout and how to add or remove certain elements, such as comments, view count, author name, and more. Hi, I'm Tracy from paulandtracy.com. If you are new to this channel, please feel free to subscribe. We share tips, tutorials, and simple guides on how to create your very own website. First thing is to log into your Wix account. Choose your website from the My Sites page. Navigate to the editor. You can get to the editor by clicking Site Actions here, and then select Edit Site. From the editor, navigate to the top left-hand corner and click on the Page menu. Under Blog Pages, select Post. This page controls the layout of each blog post or individual blog article for your website. Anything you change here in the editor will affect all blog post pages. This is separate from other pages on your site and is specifically for blog posts. Once the page loads, click on the Post element and click Settings. From here, click on Display to edit what elements you would like to display or turn off. For example, if I click on Author Name, it will remove the author's name automatically. Or if I scroll down to the bottom of the post and turn off Views Counter, it will disappear. You also have the option of including a blog menu on your post page or deactivating it altogether. And you can edit your social sharing settings here. You can enable it or turn it off completely, or enable only certain social platforms for your readers to share to. There's also the option for readers to have the ability to share any of your posts' images straight to Pinterest. And you can make it easy for them to tweet a part of your article by enabling this option here. Here's where you control whether Wix will display related posts below your main post. And here is where you can enable comments on your posts or turn it off completely. So there you have it, just a few tips on customizing the look and feel of your Wix blog post layout. If you found this Wix website tutorial helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, it really helps us a lot. And if you have any Wix website tips of your own or have any questions about the video or suggestions for what you'd like to see videos on, please feel free to add them in the comment section below. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next one.